Good day everyone. Today we will talk about Quaternary Period.
Quaternary is the current and most recent of the three periods of the Cenozoic era in the geologic timescale of the International Commission on Stratigraphy. It follows the Neogen period. The Quaternary period is divided into two epochs: the Pleistocene, 2.588 million years ago to 11.7 thousand years ago, and the Holocene, 11.7 thousand years ago to today. The informal term late Quaternary refers to the past 0.5 to 1.0 million years. The Quaternary period is typically defined by the cyclic growth and decay of continental ice sheets driven by Milankovitch cycles and the associated climate and environmental changes that occurred. The Quaternary period follows the Neogen period and extends to the present. The Quaternary covers the time span of glaciations classified as a Pleistocene and includes the present interglacial time period, the Holocene. This places the start of the Quaternary at the onset of Northern Hemisphere glaciation approximately 2.6 million years ago. Prior to 2009, the Pleistocene was defined to be from 1.805 million years ago to the present. So the current definition of the Pleistocene includes a portion of what was, prior to 2009, defined as a Pliocene. The 2.6 million years of the Quaternary represents the time during which recognizable humans existed. Over this short time period, there has been relatively little change in the distribution of the continents due to plate tectonics.
Flourishing and then extinction of many large mammals. Evolution of anatomically modern humans. Quaternary Ice Age continues with glaciations and interstadials. The accompanying fluctuations from 100 to 300 ppmv in atmospheric carbon dioxide levels. Further intensification of icehouse Earth conditions. Last glacial period, 18,000 to 15,000 years ago. Dawn of human Stone Age cultures with increasing technical complexity relative to previous Ice Age cultures such as engravings and clay statues. Particularly in the Mediterranean and Europe, Lake Tuba's supervolcano erupts 75,000 years before present, causing a volcanic winter that possibly pushes humanity to the brink of extinction. Pleistocene ends with oldest Dryas and younger Dryas climate events, with younger Dryas forming the boundary with the Holocene.
Holocene. Quaternary Ice Age recedes and the current interglacial begins. Rise of human civilization. Sahara forms from savanna and agriculture begins. Stone Age cultures give way to Bronze Age 3300 BC and Iron Age 1200 BC, giving rise to many prehistoric cultures throughout the world. Little Ice Age causes brief cooling in Northern Hemisphere from 1400 to 1850. Following the Industrial Revolution, atmospheric CO2 levels rise from around 280 parts per million volume ppmv to the current level of 400 ppmv.
That's all, everyone. Thank you for watching.